Today I wanted to do a quick demo on how to use the slow drip machine to make perfectly roasted fresh cup of coffee at home. Into the machine, we're going to apply a coffee filter. So we're going to place this basket in here, push it down. We're going to open this bag here. This already comes at a coarse grind, so there's nothing that you need to do. As you can see there, I'll typically use about 1 tablespoon for every 12 ounces of water. And I'm gonna pour that into the basket. We close the lid and then we hit the power button. Now the brewer just stopped. And now for the best part.